This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Jeep Compass headlights. First, let's prepare. Park your vehicle on a flat surface, about 25 feet away from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is accurate and your fuel tank is at least half full. These steps ensure consistent vehicle height. You will also need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape to complete this adjustment process effectively and safely. Now, let's mark your reference points on the wall. Measure from the ground to the very center of each headlight. Transfer these precise measurements to the wall, marking them clearly with tape. Next, measure the distance between the centers of your two headlights. This will help you establish the correct horizontal spread for your beams. These marks are crucial for accurate alignment. With your marks in place, it's time to adjust the beams. Open your hood and locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. You'll typically find one for vertical adjustment and one for horizontal. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to turn the vertical screw, bringing the beam's brightest point to your marked line. Then, adjust the horizontal screw to center the beam properly. Finally, let's double-check your work. Ensure both low beams are perfectly aligned with your wall markings, providing optimal visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Also, test your high beams to confirm they engage correctly and illuminate the road ahead effectively. Once satisfied, take your Jeep Compass for a short test drive to experience the improved illumination firsthand. You've done a great job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.